This is Rick's 1928 Norton overhead camshaft CS1 500cc.
In a 16H frame.
In a 16H frame. These have been put together a long time ago because the original engine plates are there, and obviously they are showing signs of use.
Well, I got this bike, built this bike, and got it running. Road tested it yesterday, and it lost all compression.
So we'd only done about 5 miles on it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's burned, isn't it? Look at that. That's got very hot. It's not just the wrong plug in it, is it?
It's been blowing there as well through the head gasket.
Oh.
Well, I haven't got a head gasket, but that could be it as well. Also because of the coloration there,
yeah.
Blowing out through there.
Because that was clean when it went in, and you can see, look, there's a bit of touch there. The valve has touched the. It looks. I can't see any marks on the piston. That's the exhaust valve, so that's that side, isn't it? I'll just hold on to that. Stop it turning around.
Oh well.
Oh, it's not a little chink in there, is it? Look, you see that? Is that new? It might be old. It looks old, but I don't know.
I bought the basics of it in 2018, which included the engine frame, gearbox, rear wheel, clutch, exhaust, silencer, shall I say, and a few other odds and ends. Oil tank, petrol tank.
It was basically all there, wasn't it? See,
yeah, it had been crashed, so it had no front end on it.
That was it. Oh, that has picked up, I reckon.
The previous owner, a chap, Leslie Gills, he was about 93 when it came to me, after he had to go into a home. And yesterday was the first time I rode it, and I did one short circuit, which is about 3/4 of a mile, and then went out and did the longer circuit, which is 3 miles, and then it conked out. So no, I haven't ridden it a lot, but it was showing great potential, as they say, and now I've got to repair it. Well, after it lost compression, I've whipped the head off and just had a look in the workshop, and the exhaust valve has seized in the valve guide. It's bent the valve as well, which is what was hitting the piston, and fortunately there's no damage on that department, but I've got a spare valve, so that's a plus. I'll go and see my mate John Brewster, he's an engineer, so I'll take the cylinder head over to him and say, "Here John, this is what happened, why has this happened?" And he'll say, probably a bit tight or something or other, so we might stick a reamer down the valve guide and take a smidgen out so it's not quite so tight, so you can get more oil down there, and then we'll put it all back together again, and Bob's your uncle, it'll be like new.